Joseph's body is strong and still. Devin, this is your one warning. I need you to be quiet so that we can learn from each other. Kyla, please come up. You may hold or wear your hat. Amari knows that during a conversation, we're looking at the person whose art is up here. Ari Green, please come up. You may hold or wear your hat. You are holding it. And Tanaya, you're turning your body so you can see what you made. So show them what you made, Kyla. Ari, show what you made. Let's see, one more person. Not just to Miss Erica, but to everybody who's in the room. One more person. And Brianna, will you come up and show or wear your hat? Okay, we're going to take a look first at Kyla's. Kyla, come right here and hold it up nice and proud so everybody can see. Now, Kyla made a hat about a part of stormy weather. Raise your hand to tell me what part of stormy weather her hat shows and tell me why. What part of stormy weather? Miss Nicholson. Fix it. Her hat shows. And why? Tyler, what part of stormy weather are you thinking? And Kyla, let's show the part you painted. What part of stormy weather do you think this shows?
Snow.
Why do you think it shows the snow?
Because it got different colors.
Tell me more. Does snow have different colors? No.
It's all white.
Oh, it's all white. So tell me how you know that this hat shows the snow.
Because it's all white right there, but it's not all yellow right there.
So there's white on the hat, and that shows the snow, but there's also yellow. Who can tell me one more reason? Kyla, you're standing proud for your art, to show off your art. Who can tell me one more reason why they know that this might be the snow? This might be the part of weather that is snow. I'm going to wait until everybody's body is still, like Joseph and Jerron, sitting on their behind looking at me. Devin. One more reason. Why do we know this is the snow? Because it does have different colors, and snow doesn't usually have different colors. Huh?
No.
Amari Dixon, what are you thinking? How do you know this is the snow?
Because it have white and it have some red.
There's red, so there might be red in the snow. Can you tell me more about the shapes? What shapes do you see?
Circles.
They're circles. Okay. Can you tell me why this hat might be the snow?
Because snow is circles.
Snow might be circles?
And you roll it up off the floor and then you make a circle.
Amari's talking about rolling snow up into a circle. Does anybody know what that's called when you roll snow up into a circle? Darenika, this is the last time I'm going to remind you, because we're quiet during a conversation. Jerome, do you know what that's called when you help your sister out? When it's rolled up into a ball, you know what that's called? A ball? What kind of ball? It's made of something special. Jerome, I'm going to stay with you. A snowball, that's right. Great job, Amari. Kylie, you can go to your seat. Oh, I'm looking for another Stormy sound here. I saw a lot of hands over here that I would love to hear from. All right, Green, hold up your hat so we can see it, and hold it all around. We want to see all the parts. Wow. Wow. Art had a different part of stormy weather. Tornado, rain, lightning, snow, hurricane, wind blowing, black clouds. What part of stormy weather do you think Ari might have had? If you're looking, Kyla, at her hat, just like she looked at yours, you'll be able to learn more. What part of stormy weather do you think she might have had? Up here, please, Jaden. Joseph, do you know what it might be? As you look at Ari's hat, what part would you think it might be? Listen to Joseph right now, or look at her hat. Say it.
Twister.
A twister. We have a different word for the weather called twister on our chart. Does anybody know, Joseph? You can answer if you know which word we use when we were talking about a twister. Joseph, you know? What is it called?
Tornado.
A tornado. Who can tell me why Ari's hat looks like a tornado? Why does Ari's hat look like a tornado? Devin is sitting so still, looking at Ari's hat so that he can learn and listen. Tanaya, why do you think Ari's hat looks like a tornado?
Because it's spinning.
So you see it spinning. So the way, do you mean that she's spinning her hat around? Can you tell me more about the patterns? And maybe Ari, hold it still so she can see. Tell me, what do you see that makes you think that it might be a tornado?
Because she got the circle and the little spinning thing like a tornado.
Wow, there's a circle and a spinning thing like a tornado. Great job, Ari. We love your tornado hat. Kindergarten, check your bottom. Is it in your seat? Check your voice. Is it turned off? Check check your hands. Are they quiet and still? Those are not touching anything. We have one more person. We want everyone to feel just as respected as Ari and as Kyla. So very respected. We also want the people who are talking to feel respected. So let's take a look. Okay, everyone, show us all sides of your hat. Because I know we just see the grid. Ooh, wow. Let's think. What part of stormy weather could Embryon's hat show? What part, and if you're looking up here, I know that you're learning. What part of stormy weather could Embryon's hat be? Somebody I didn't get to hear from yet. Jaden, what do you think? What part of stormy weather might she have on her hat?
And she has thunder.
You think she might have the thunder, so the loud noise that happens with lightning? Tell me why you think that's thunder. Listen, because I'm going to ask somebody to see if they agree with him.
Because they're black and they're white. It looks like
Can I show?
the black and white stuff looks like it's crashing.
The black part looks like it's crashing. Tell me more, Jaden. Why does that black part look like it's crashing?
Because if you have the white thing down and it looks like the white thing sticking down looks like the black thing gonna fall off and it looks like it's gonna crash.
So because the white thing's coming off the black thing, it looks like it's about to crash. So he's thinking it's boom, the sound of thunder. And Brandon, can you hold that? I want to show a thumbs up if you agree with Jaden, you think it's thunder. And a thumbs down, not because you don't like Jaden's answer, but because you have a different idea about what part of stormy weather this might be. A different idea. I'm seeing some thumbs up, some people agree, some people disagree. Please put your hands back in your lap. Curtis, I want you to tell me what you think, a different opinion.
I think tornado.
You think she's a tornado? Tell me why. Why does it look like a tornado to you?
Because the black stuff and the white stuff, it looks like it's turning around.
Oh, so the black and the white looks to you like it's turning around. Does anyone have a different opinion than Curtis? Curtis, I loved how you used details from the picture to tell us about your idea. Any more ideas? We haven't heard yet from Tanaya. Tanaya, can you tell me what part of stormy weather? And I saw Mayana turn to her friend so she could learn and listen. What part of stormy weather? What do you think?
It is black clouds.
What makes you think that? What do you see that makes you think that on everyone's hat?
Because
Miss Elsie, make sure you're up here.
the black thing it looks like the cloud.
Wow, so you saw the color black and that made you think about black clouds. Embryon, we had 3 great answers. Can you tell us which one you are? You were the thunder? Well, let's take a look at the chart. Where's your name? I see tornado, rain, lightning. There's Embryon. Embryon, are you next to the black clouds or the thunder? That's Jaden's name. Where's your name? Right there. Are you next to the thunder down here or the black clouds? Black clouds. Okay, so Embryon, turn and tell the class. Which part of stormy weather were you?
Black clouds.
The black clouds. Great job, Embryon. My paintbrush helper will show me how many people are sitting at their table. Show me how many people, and then you can come to get your brushes. Voices are off, bodies are still as we get ready. Go ahead and make sure your sleeves are pushed up if you didn't already push them up. Jaslyn, come get 3 brushes. Tanaya, come get 4 brushes. Jeremiah, come get 4 brushes. Mayana, come get 3 brushes. Pause. If you're silent, someone can pick you. Curtis, come get 4. Do we want a big or a small brush? A small brush. Who can tell me why? Why do we want a small brush? How come, Duran? If you have a big brush, it would have buku paint on it, a lot of paint. If you had a little one, it would have a little paint. Akira. So we want to make sure we have a little bit of paint today. When you buku, like a lot. Devin, you know buku? Devin's not from here, so he doesn't know that buku means like a lot. So if it has buku paint, it has a lot of paint. When you get your brush, come get 4, Joseph. Oh, you already, sorry, Duran, actually it's your turn. When you get your brush, you may begin to paint your party stormy mother. Let me see, where's my tornadoes? Raise your hand if you are a tornado. Oh, I'm missing a tornado. Akira, where's my tornado? Pause. Jaden, you're not a tornado. Thank you, Jeremiah. You are the lightning. Put your hands down. Raise your hand if you are the rain falling down, the wet rain falling down from the sky. Got Jeronica. We need, yep, make sure it goes right here. Raise your hand if you are the lightning crashing down from the sky. There's Jaden, the lightning priority, the lightning. Who's the lightning? Pause, Kyla. If I'm talking loud, your voice should be quiet. Let me see, and this is a big one. Let me see where's my snow. Raise your hand and show me where's the snow. Where's my snow? Where's my snow? Pause. Please don't call out. I know it's a lot going on. We're excited. Raise your hand. No. If you are the snow. Janae's got her hand up. Duran's got his hand up. Good work. Is there any snow at this table? Devin, are you the snow? Let's see your hand up. Great job. Hands down. Finally, the wind's blowing. Oh, Christian and Avian are here. The black clouds in the sky. Where's my black clouds? Got Amari. Got Adrian. And we need one more black cloud. Who is it? Table number 5. Where's my black cloud? Where is he? Yes, there he is. You may begin. Where's level 1? Go. At this table, I saw a problem. Can someone raise their hand and tell me what was the problem? What was the problem, Colin? Mayana, can you tell me how to solve that problem with respectful words so that he doesn't get his, because I saw him getting his feelings hurt. He did not look like he was feeling it. You could pass it to him? Okay, let's try that. Great job, Mayana. Make sure, Kyla's making sure she doesn't get her foods hurt too. Great job, Mayana. You guys are ready to paint. Take them off of your head and put them on the table.
So nice.
Wait first. I'm supposed to do white first. I'm holding Kylie. Great. No, do this.
Amara, you have the snow?
Look what I made.
Hi.
Look what I made.
Wow. I like your color choice.
Wow. I have a shout out. I have a shout out for Tanaya and I have a shout out for Devin. What they've been doing is they've been mixing colors together, not in the tray, but on their hat. So Tanaya mixed a blue and a white. Can you see, Eddie, what color that made? What color is that?
Blue.
Is it the regular blue? What kind of blue is it?
Light blue.
Thank you, Mayana. Thank you, Eddie. It's a light blue. So we don't mix color in the tray, but you can mix it on your hat. Devin made green.
Look what I made. I
And what are those things are?
made it great.
Mixing it. Okay, thanks, teacher. Pause. Please raise your hand and I'll come over. I want to see everyone's hat, but I can't do it all at once. I'll be there, table 2 and table 1 in just a minute. Curtis, I'll be right there. Is it an emergency? Eddie, will you please pick up this and the smock on the floor next to you and put them back in the box? They're extra. Yes, sir. Oh, no. Jaden, wow. Jaden, can you tell me? Remember to show your lightning. Can you show me your lightning? Hey, you don't need to run, baby. There's no need to run. Colin, this is your paper towel. Maya, this is your paper towel. Are you helping her? Did you ask her? Okay. Maya, I want to make sure that you do a little bit more on your basket. Can you tell me what part you have? Yes, no? Okay, remember how we talked about the color? Do you remember the color? What color? Can you add some white to your outfit? Kyla. Oh, perfect, Colin. You're all good to go. Kyla, this is your paper towel. Keep it safe on the table or in your pocket. You mix 3 colors? Let me see. What color is it?
It's a good looking hat. It's a good looking hat.
Trying to make this green different. Oh, no. Thanks for telling me right away. I have a shout out. Shout out for table 4. They wasted their water, but they didn't fuss at each other. They waited for me and asked for my help. And they made sure they didn't disrespect each other just because someone made a mistake. We make mistakes. We say, oops, I'm sorry. Woo, look at that. Table number 2, I'll be right there. If you fussed at someone and made a mistake, please apologize to them now before I come over there. I heard someone fussing tonight, so I need someone to make sure they fix that. Brandon, tell you where you're here. Remember, you can ask somebody. It says, oh, yep, there it is. Thank you.